Hey there, PEX fans. Today we're talking about a product that's near and dear to our hearts here at PEX Universe, the Fast Track Trench. It's a reliable and heavy-duty channel drain system manufactured by Sioux Chief, which we just started carrying on our website, pexuniverse.com. Go check it out. First, we're going to go over some basics about the system, and then I'm going to walk you how to install it. The Fast Track is manufactured right here in the US of A and comes with several advantages over competing brands. Fast Track comes pre-sloped at an 0.75 degree angle. They're numbered 1 through 9, denoting the depth, and they slot nicely one into the other. So for the demonstration, we're just going to leave it like this because they're very hard to get out. But basically, you just want to hammer it down into place and it'll lock in there. This easy-to-use modular design makes laying level trenches simple and efficient. Again, I'm going to show you the installation in the second half of the video. All of the trenches connected together form a 54-foot run. Using neutral, unsloped trenches, this can reach up to a 78-foot run. Each trench comes pre-molded with a vertical drain which can optionally be bored out, or a horizontal drain which can be installed at the slot at the end. Remember, you're going to need a 4-inch hole saw to drill those out, so don't forget that. The versatile modular nature of the Fast Track makes it applicable for a variety of different situations, as well as Sioux Chief manufacturing a number of different grates, which makes it perfect for a wide range of circumstances. In order of price, Fast Track supports heavy-duty ductile iron grates, which are both cross-slotted or diagonal slotted. These are for industrial settings where heavy loads such as forklifts or heavy equipment will be crossing regularly. Next is stainless steel, both slotted and perforated. This is ideal for a situation where it either needs to look aesthetically pleasing or where it's high traffic but not as high load as an industrial setting, such as a commercial loading zone or a storefront. Finally, there's UV stabilized HTP plastic, which while it's still very strong, probably won't hold up over the entire lifetime of the trench if it's under constant traffic. However, it's significantly more affordable than metal grates and is still pretty much perfect for residential applications. There are several additional components which Sioux Chief manufactures for your trench system. For example, steel edge guards, which protect the lip of the trench from wear and tear from normal usage, as well as heavy-duty iron frames to brace the trench when using ductile iron grates. This is to prevent your trench system from warping under extra heavy loads. Finally, there's the dome bottom strainer debris screen, which slots nicely over the drain in your trench, preventing, you guessed it, debris from entering the hole. You guys are officially on the fast track to learning how to install the Fast Track. We begin by planning out the excavation of the trench that will hold the Fast Track. There are a couple factors to keep in mind while doing this. The Fast Track should be encased on all sides by 4 inches of concrete minimum. If the slab is larger, then this encasement should also be larger. The encasement is required no matter what the surface is, whether it's pavers, asphalt, or just concrete itself. You're also going to want to plan space around the encasement for expansion joints. You also want to put a string line level across the top of the planned trench to use as a guide. Once you've excavated the trench, lay out the channels along the side of the trench, starting from the deepest point to the shallowest point. If you're going to install an end cap, install that now, and drill out whichever hole you're going to be using with your 4-inch hole saw. Now set the channels inside of the trench, again starting from the deepest point. Connect them from one end to the next using the slots that are provided. Optionally, you can use a silicone sealant here to absolutely prevent any leakage. Next, take a piece of rebar and pass it through the clips on the side of the channels. Hammer them into the ground and then raise the channels to the desired height. Generally, it's recommended to have each channel be roughly a 1/16 of an inch to an 1/8 of an inch below the top of the channel for ideal drainage. You should use the level string for that. Next, you're going to want to screw in to the clips so that it will hold the rebar in place, or you can use a tie wire. Continue this process for every section of the drain. Once you've confirmed that everything is at the right height, you can attach your drainage pipe and then start filling in the trench around the channel with concrete. Generally, you want to start with pads around the bottom of the rebar and then fill in the rest. Vibrate, let dry. Finally, you remove the construction covers and put on your desired grate. Thanks so much for watching. If you had any problems, leave us a comment asking us any questions you might have about the Fast Track. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you get notifications about our upcoming content. Thanks so much. Have a good one.